Well, I don't want to take too much of your time. I know you're busy. You got a bunch of stuff going on, but I just wanted to real quick just kind of get your feedback from using the software and everything. I know at DPI the other week you said you bought 2 deals off of there, and just wanted to get your story.
Yeah, yeah. So actually, yeah. So I put two under contract. One I closed on a week ago. The other one I'm actually closing on at 12 o'clock. So
Boom.
yeah. So I'm actually going to close in after shortly after this, after this interview. So yeah. So what happened was, obviously, I talked to you about the software and you walked me through it, and I saw the value in it. But like a lot of things, I was so busy. Like I would kind of jump on and I'd play around with it for like 10 minutes or so, just kind of messing with things. But I didn't really lock in with it. And it was kind of interesting. I saw this other posts of this other investor and how they time block and they make like so many offers a day. And I was like, you know what? Let me stop playing around with this thing. Let me lock in. And I was like, okay, I'm not going to stop until I make 10 offers. Right. That was my goal for the night. I ended up making, I think, honestly, I ended up making like 6 to 8 offers. And I
Okay.
forget. It might have been six, it might have been 8 offers. And also what I learned was some of the kind of tricks of how to utilize the software a little bit better. I found out it's a little better to like download the actual PDF, email it from my email, and that way I can just keep track of it a little bit better.
Yep. You're
Um,
talking for the automated offer
for
tool.
for the automated offer tool, which is, I mean, awesome. Is absolutely that is a game changer, right? So what I did was I made up, like I said, I made about 8 offers. I started hearing back on the offers like the very next day. Um, and um, I was getting some feedback. I said, okay, well, this is good because previously I had tried it, but I wasn't really getting any feedback, and so I just kind of let it go. But that week, out of the whatever 6 to 8 offers that I put in, I got two of them under contract, and I had a third one that I was working on, but then I decided to just focus on those two.
I love that. I
Hmm.
love that, man. That's
Yeah,
so
yeah,
awesome.
yeah. So I mean, what I've just figured was, I mean, two things. Obviously, is that the system works. But anything else is like you
It's a
have to put
tool.
the energy into it. You got to put the time into it. And I had to be intentional about how I was using it. So like even now, like I got those and I kind of stopped using it as much. So I was like, all right, no, let's get back into it. So I was actually on it like um like prior to this call. I was
Okay.
looking at some deals, and after we hop off, I want to make like 2, 3 offers. So yeah, I mean it's a great tool. Um, it is. I use it as part of my arsenal, as part of my lead source. It's not going to be all of
That's
my
right.
lead source,
A hundred
but
percent,
it
man.
definitely works. Mhm.
Yeah, dude, it's capturing the low hanging fruit that's kind of already there, you know?
Mhm.
So how do you think like, because one of the things that I hear so often, especially from people that already have MLS access, is they're like, oh, well, how is this any better than the MLS? You know, like in your mind, in your own words, how do you think this compares like to the MLS?
It's not even. It's the MLS on steroids. Unless they know how to work it better than than I do, which is possible. I think the biggest difference is the drop down, like profit, um, um, drop down that you can pick so certainly inputs
Yep.
that you can put into there, the price per square foot delta,
Yep.
all of that information is super helpful. I mean, could you do it on the MLS? You probably could, but you'd have to do it manually,
Yep.
right?
Dude,
You would
that's
have to
exactly right.
go through and like aggregate that. And so it's like, what is your time worth? And that for me, that I mean, just that time saver and in it's the automated offer part of it.
I love
So
it.
I mean, that part of it is, so you can crank out offers in seconds, right?
Yep.
So there is no feature that I know of that you could do that on 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 the MLS. I don't think so.
Yeah. No, dude, I love that. That's great feedback. I
Mhm.
appreciate it.
Oh yeah.
And I'm looking forward to hearing about more success from you on it, man.
Yeah, well, you're going to see my post about the closing that I'm doing now, and like I said, I saw some things pop up. I'm going to make some offers on those too. So, super excited. Like this year is all about offense, and this and your tool is really helping me on that strategy of going on the offense.
Dude, I love that so much.
All
Dan, thank you
right,
so much.
you're welcome.
Bro, I appreciate it.
All right.
Um,